All right, welcome back to another episode of Planning Period with me, Thomas Hummel, co-founder of Eduaide.AI. Today I'm going to show you guys the student-centered approach to planning a lesson. And when I go ahead and launch Eduaide, it is just another one of our planning tools that we have here. It's down on the right side. And every year I sort of teach about Gregor Mendel and his P-plan experiment, and I just stand in front of my class and I just tell them about the experiment. So this year I kind of want to flip that and put it in my students' hands. And so I'm going to type in Mendel's pea plant experiment. And I have purple and white beads for this. So I'm going to add that criteria so that it develops an activity where I have those beads. And we got this framework for the student-centered approach from the Stanford Teaching, um, the Stanford Teaching Commons website, and we use their framework for the student approach. So we have the learning goal, the learning objective, the assessment, the learning activity, and then the content. So just flipping it around. And I really like this because the activity here in a group, students will use purple and white beads to represent the dominant and recessive traits of the pea plants. They will simulate a genetic cross by randomly selecting the beads. So similar to what Mendel did, right? And it's just kind of cool. That way I don't have to sit up there and talk and talk and talk, but this kind of puts the owning of the learning on my students. So wouldn't be possible without Eduaide, and this is the student-centered approach lesson plan, and this is off of the Stanford University framework for that. So pretty cool stuff. Can do it all in a couple clicks, and that's why we did it with Eduaide. So see you next time. Thanks.